Hi, good day for everyone. Today I am going to teach you and how to control your use account in Windows 10. Actually, this can be done in Windows XP, Windows 7, or any Windows operating system. This is the easiest and fastest way to control use accounts and its password and everything. So to do this, you need to run run command, run command, or you can just go to start and search for run. Then it will be selected like this, run, or you can press Windows key plus R key, then you will come to this. After that, you will type this command. The command is control user passwords. There is a S at the end of the word, and then 2. Then you can enter. As you can see here, you can add user account and reset passwords, and you can choose different kind of user customization features in here. So this if you have an administrator account, you can run this command and you can reset password and add new user account and do anything you like, right? So this is the fastest, simplest and easiest way to control user accounts in Windows computers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye.